Maybe put on some clothes.
Oh, she doesn't know.
Nobody knows. Well, I mean, Mr. Stark knows because he made my suit, but that's it.
Tony Stark made you that? Were you an Avenger?
Yeah, basically. Spider-Man is not a party trick, okay? Look, I'm just gonna be myself.
Peter, no one wants that.
Dude.
Do you lay eggs?
What? No.
Can you spit venom? Can you summon an army of spiders?
No, Ned. How far can you shoot your webs?
To make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometimes. I want to spend some time with you.
Shut up, Ned.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try.